There's no self-analyzing. Like we're just mindlessly wandering the earth and just hope. Like it's like we don't want to be responsible for anymore.
Nothing.
We need to grow up, man. Be men. So what if we gotta work? But nobody want to work.
No, but honestly, that's the truth. Even men that work all the time, they don't want to. They just have to, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, every man want to be chilling. Everybody will want to be chilling, but you just can't, bro.
Yeah,
that's just how it is.
Back in those days, we didn't have Instagram, and so we didn't have to worry about all this shit. But now, everything's a distraction.
Very true.
A lot of, like, if we really sit down and look at life, nigga, a lot of shit is really a big ass distraction. Like, we don't
That's
really
all it
need, like, what are you doing that's making yourself better? Are you working out? Are you making more money? Are you eating better? Are you having a good relationship with your wife? Do you talk to your mom? Are you trying to improve something?
Yeah.
What are you trying to improve? And that's all the question.
And you ask them, it's nothing.
That's it. That's it.
I think the best thing to say is, I'm trying to get my streaming numbers up. Or it's like some weird, something weird.
Even with the social media thing, for me, it's just
I know
attention.
and
you can monetize it, but
very true.
I'm looking at niggas like Denzel. He said, nigga, why do you need 16 million people liking your photos?
You honestly don't.
What are you doing? I look at him, you only see him when he's in movies.
That's
you don't
it.
hear no scandals.
Nope.
No robberies, no fuck shit, because he already know what time it is. Do your work, go home.
That's what he
does. Engage in your craft. Stay out the way.
He don't be in tabloids. He'll be wearing Gucci everywhere.
Yeah, he like, nigga, bro. When he goes to the basketball games, he just wears a black New York cap, all black clothes, and just like, what up?
Some basic Walmart clothes.
And he having bread.
And having bread.
He already know what time
he can afford all that if he really wants to. If he really wanted to,
he said it himself. You're never gonna see a U-Haul behind a hearse. You can't take all your possessions with you.
That's tough.
Like, why you buying all this shit, bro? You can't take that with you. Why you buying all these cars, all these, like, nobody cares. What matters is what you leave behind. What did I say to you that made you want to get in shape?
Yeah.
Exactly.